Alrighty, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is August 27th. Today was kind of a rough one. Not gonna lie, we didn't take a loss. We took a break even and a partial win of $120. I'll quickly show you guys on the dashboard. Bang. So yeah, we banked 119 on the day. This was the position here. But I'll run you guys over what it sort of looks like and why I'm just not going to trade anymore for today at least. So coming to market open, let's go to replay, of course. So where's market open? I'll leave all the drawings up so you guys can sort of see, but we have 9:30 open here. Now we manipulate straight into this 15-minute gap and hit the 8:30 opening price as well. So I was kind of convinced we were going to go bearish here, in which then we did. We came down to these two 15-minute gaps here, and as you can see over here, ES then took Asia low, giving us an SMT between the two right here. Then if we go to the 1 minute, we can see, so we tag into this here. Then I was going to take this IFEG if we got it. We didn't end up getting it. We actually had a resweep and what I like to call a stop rate if it closes below. We then printed a rejection wick out of the first presented 15-minute gap. So now we've got first presented 15-minute gap. We've got an SMT, and yes, this hourly is right here, which I'm completely aware of. But if we were to flip and inverse, we would definitely be able to respect this hourly in time because it had like 20 minutes left or something. And then you can see that we sort of have this as a protected low right now. And then I think it's next candle. Yep. So here, I get my entry here off of this inverse pretty much and just straight away. Now my target was probably something I could have worked on. It was these equal highs here, which is also equal highs on ES. You can see right there. So that was my target. But the only thing I should have done better was target just a 1-to-1. Because this SMT right here is going to hold price down for a little bit, which is what I sort of should have noticed. And should have just targeted the 9:30 high. That's fine anyway. We end up then getting a bit of a rejection here. Perfect respect of this inverse and this 1 minute gap and this first presented 1 minute gap. So I was like, we're cool to go up. And then we get this massive push like that, which is literally like 50 points. I thought we were sweet to CTP. We then swept the 9:30 high, pretty much to the tick, and tagged into this 5 minute first presented, which is the first presented from the 7 AM to the 9 AM range. So it's a pretty powerful gap. We got that tagged in there. So I took off a micro right here, went break even, and then we can see pretty much stopped out break even straight away. What I should have done is gone for this 1-to-1 here, or this 5 minute unfilled gap. Probably the smartest idea would have been to target the 5 minute unfilled, because we had such a strong DOL right here being the 9:30 high, and we had the unfilled gap. That would have been way smarter and would have banked me 550 on the day instead of 120. So mistakes can learn from them, it's fine, but I feel like this will eventually get taken. It'll probably happen very soon if we hop out of replay. Yeah, you can see that we're already, like, we've had a resweep and a stop rate down here. We've had an inverse of this gap. We could have entered off of this as well. And we're back in this 5 minute now. So we're probably going to see this equal highs get taken. I think we kind of just got unlucky having that first presented 5 minute gap and the DOL right here, like so close to each other. It's pretty obvious why we dumped. But overall, not great price. Sorry, I'm not going to be trading this session like tonight anymore, because even you can see here, we inverse this hourly gap. Yeah, we tag into this rejection wick, but this inverse this inverse, SMT, like we're kind of just ranging right now. And yeah, I don't know, a good position could be a bad one in like 2 seconds. As you can see, we took literally an A+ setup, V-shaped recovery, inverse, 15-minute first presented, everything was aligned. We had a strong draw on liquidity, and then we still got break even. So what can you do? What can you do? I'm going to be trading Asia tomorrow morning though, so hopefully we get some better price off there. But yeah, key thing to take from this is if you've got such a strong draw on liquidity and untapped gaps, just take profit there. Don't try to aim for the stars and the moon. Like, it'll probably happen, but it'll happen after doing something like this and stopping you out, and then you'll be like, damn, should have re-entered. But like, literally, it's fine. I'll just wait. I got a winning day. We need 2 more winning days for a payout, so see how that goes. But yeah, anyway, if you guys enjoyed, drop a sub, drop a like. I think we're at like 22 subs now, so goal is to probably get to 1,000 by the end of the year. That'll be awesome. So let's see if we can get that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.